So welcome to our series that we're doing, Tutorial Tuesdays, every morning at 10 a.m. Eastern. We're going live every Tuesday just to talk about some new products, whether it be skincare, cosmetics, all of the fun things, and just doing a little bit of a deeper dive on individual items so that we can showcase things, give you the how-tos, the whys, the who's it for, answer your questions. So today, super excited to talk about an essential item for everyone that I feel like we can never have enough options of, and that is mascara. So we have a new 3D Vision Mascara that has just launched within the last few weeks, and I wanted to do a little bit of a deeper dive on what makes this particular formula different and why you definitely want to add this to your arsenal. So this 3D Vision Mascara by Motives, it's an awesome solution for not only full, voluminous, longer looking lashes, but for a look that lasts all day. The formula is designed to be long wearing and water resistant. So every Tuesday after I do this, I go to the gym for my body pump class, and it's a hard workout and lots of sweat happening. And I can tell you that the mascara definitely stays put during sessions like that. I've also worn it, over the summer while swimming. We got to test market this formula for a while, being at the beach, all of the things. It's really an awesome stay-proof, smudge-proof formula that's not going to run due to sweat or humidity. Something also that's really unique about this product is the curve of the wand, of the mascara wand. So I feel like, sometimes mascara is something difficult to have people test, because really it's the formula as much as it is the applicator. So when you're maybe testing the product out for customers, when you're meeting together in person, you're using those disposable wands to be sanitary, but then you're not really getting the full experience. So I highly encourage you. It's a very affordable, by the way. This retails for $24, which is an awesome price point for a high-end mascara in today's marketplace. So you can see on the picture on the left there, the curve of the wand definitely makes a difference. And, you can flip it and use it both ways. I do that just to kind of get on top of my lashes, underneath of the lashes. So it's going to give you some really insane volume. I do appreciate how the formula is like the deepest, truest, blackest of blacks. So it is nice, and that's what kind of makes your eyes open up. So this is more of like a bold lash mascara versus like more of a subtle natural one. We talked about smudge proof, humidity proof, and sweat proof. Something you may not realize is that it can also condition lashes to reveal silkier lashes over time. And you may have tried mascaras that we've had in the past that do that as well, when there's different additives in the formula that can sort of condition the lashes to make them, again, softer and smoother, even maybe help them look longer and stay. A lot of times when you're using the wrong formulas with the wrong ingredients, it can be too harsh on your lashes, and it may actually have the opposite effect. And so for those of us that are just conscious of products that are more sustainable, this is a vegan formula. As with all our products, it is hypoallergenic. It is gluten-free, soy-free, cruelty-free, which means we don't do any animal testing. We don't have any animal byproducts in our products. It's a paraben-free formula as well as a fragrance-free formula. So certainly no one should have to worry about having a negative reaction to this product. Of course, certain people may have certain allergies to certain ingredients, and then that's a whole different scenario and more of a case-by-case basis. But this is something that you can feel comfortable trying. You can feel comfortable sharing with your customers and appreciate the formula, as well as, like I said, the component that you're applying it with. So it's a crescent shaped brush that separates and coats each lash from root to tip, so that it's going to actually lift and curl the lash as you're applying. So it's a big ask for one product, right? So just kind of recapping benefits, and then I'll hang out for an extra second if anybody has any questions. But, our goal is to keep these sessions short and sweet, just introduce things to you one at a time, bite-sized pieces here for beauty. But as we want to recap, it's a long-lasting formula, so you can have confidence to wear it, whether you're putting your makeup on in the morning and you need it to last all day, whether you have a special occasion that might evoke certain emotions, you can feel really good about this staying put and looking good all day and night long. That deepest black formula for really bold lashes, that smudge proof, humidity proof, sweat proof, formula or result that we're getting, but also at the same time, nourishing and moisturizing ingredients that are going to be good for your lashes while wearing. So it's also going to condition and strengthen your lashes to reveal silkier, healthier looking lashes over time. So not only for that day, but also you can expect some long-term benefit from using the product. And then of course that crescent shaped brush that separates and coats each lash from the root to the tip as you're applying. So it's going to help lift and curl as well. And of course, using an eyelash curler is always a great idea. It's just going to give you a little extra boost. But honestly, I think with this formula and this brush, for those of us that are busy and we're sticking to the basics from day to day, you can see a lot of those benefits just because of that brush, and maybe even able to skip that step. The other important thing is that it rinses off really effortlessly with warm water and your favorite facial cleanser. So if you've ever taught or attended a skincare class, one thing that I'm a big advocate of and do myself personally is washing my face twice. So once to really remove the makeup, and then a second time to really clean your skin. So with any of the skincare cleansers that we are partnered with in Motives, I use a variety of them depending on the season or the, what I'm hoping to achieve with my skin during that phase of life. And they all remove the mascara really simply, really easily. Even our makeup wipes are great for that. So if you want to use the makeup wipe as a first step and then wash your face after that, all this to say, yes, the formula is going to be smudge proof and water resistant and last all day for you, but it's not going to be one that's really difficult to remove. And of course, we do have eye makeup remover as well. So if you like using that, you can. Some people like to use my micellar cleanser. So don't worry about that process of removing it. And again, the formula itself for this 3D mascara is a vegan formula. The product is hypoallergenic. It's gluten-free, soy-free, cruelty-free, paraben-free, and fragrance-free. So I'm so happy with this formula. I think it's an awesome addition to our line. Again, retailing for $24. You really can't beat it. I encourage you to grab yours if you've not yet. And if you're a new customer to using this product or working with our brand, you can go to motivescosmetics.com. If you are already a business owner, then obviously you're going to purchase from yourself. And if you're a customer with one of our beauty advisors, then certainly you can shop through them. Sometimes they'll even have special deals for you, like a gift with purchase or otherwise. So make sure to circle back with your beauty advisor and ask them more about this product and how you can get your hands on it. Hope you guys are excited. If you've tried it, let us know. Drop a comment in the chat. If you have any questions, feel free to put that in the chat as well. I will keep an eye on it. But otherwise, that's going to be a wrap for our Tutorial Tuesday this week, and we look forward to seeing you all next week. Have a great day.